Hello, my name is Jade Bransky. I am the CEO and co-founder here at Mobilize, the company, here today to talk about Vision, our flagship product, part of the Strategic Coordination Suite. So, what is it? Visionaries, we love our users, they're all visionaries, jump into Vision to do a couple different things. Discover initiatives, think innovation and improvements, collaborate, and then of course, progress those solutions for mission critical initiatives. So we're looking at everything from modernization to weapon systems development, right? So anything that fits into that DoD joint branch structure. Currently, we are available Air Force as well as Space Force wide to the Army National Guard and the Air National Guard. We're in the process of working with the Army and the Navy to make sure that this thing scales DoD wide and that we can save massive amounts of time, resources, and really, most importantly, stay ahead of our adversaries. So just a few quick notes on joint scalability. We did launch over a year ago. As I mentioned earlier, we've got lots of conversation moving with different teams to really work on that big picture scale. The system itself, technology readiness level 9, IL4 scales up from there and is obviously CAC enabled. So this is available to just the folks in our armed forces. And of course, the system itself is modular. So we know this ecosystem is going to change, things shift. So we're ready to respond to those shifts and requirements very, very quickly. This is the most common question that we get asked, so I wanted to share with you all who uses Vision, right? We've got everyone from our innovation and improvement leader, it's kind of an obvious user, right? All the way over to those steering groups and headquarters teams, right? So we have lots of different kinds of users that engage Vision in different ways. I'll share two quick examples. Tesseract is a headquarters team. These folks were able to load in an aircraft scheduling project into Vision, which prior to that, right, there was no single source, so there was nowhere to share it. They brought on 12 different units, have since onboarded over 16,000 new users, and this particular initiative is set up to save the Air Force over $15 million in 5 years. So not only that, scalability, modernization, but also cost savings. This next one, Spark cells are our core users. These are the folks who really helped create Vision to be what it is today. And this is a very cool example because this particular team shared an initiative through Vision. They started it. It was brand new. Immediately got connected to a team who had already completed that. And then were able to simply jump to mass production of the solution, right? So prior to Vision, that would have all started over. We would have reinvented that wheel. So this is a huge win, very, very exciting for the teams that are really running these initiatives and making things happen. So just two quick highlights in Vision. Currently, we're in staging, so none of this data is real, but you can see some of the capabilities, right? At a high level, we can search the entire ecosystem in many, many ways, right? Everything from dynamic tags, technology types, to how were they funded, or is it squadron innovation funds, as well as all of our automated tracking through Vision. So a lot of those status and health updates are happening automatically. I'm going to jump us all the way down to the analytics, throwback to our Cyber Phase 1, the digital innovation dashboard, and just share a few highlights here. Again, you can search by organization. You can really drill down in those organizations to see, okay, where do we sit in this ancestry? If I want to look all the way up, let's say secretary level, I'm going to see a portfolio of everything below that. If I want to look all the way down where I'm at now at a squadron, I get clear, transparent view of all my own data. So it's really that top-down, bottom-up build. Very advanced data structure. We're showing all the details of the ecosystem itself, as well as that similarity data, which this is really our special sauce. This is where the tool starts to get into, right? We can share insights around what we don't know. And then some quick and easy wins, right? Like, hey, these two initiatives share 79% similarity. This is a grand reason to talk. We're likely duplicating some part of that effort. So I don't want to give you too much. If you want to schedule a demo, reach out. My team would love to talk. We're excited to collaborate. And one team, one vision, our favorite line. Talk soon.